In this video, you will learn how to calculate percentage of a number in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have three column data. First column shows the number, second one shows the percentage, and third one shows the result. For example, in this case, I have a number 180 and I am interested to calculate the percentage of a number. For example, in this case, I have a number 180 and I have calculated the 50% of this number, that was 90. So you will learn how to calculate the percentage of a number in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly select the cell where you are interested to display your result. I will select this one. After selecting the cell, put equal sign. Select the number. For example, in this case, I am interested to calculate the percentage of this number. I will select this one. After selecting the number, multiplication sign. Now select the percentage wanted. I will select this one because I am interested to calculate the 50% of this number. I will select this percentage. After selecting this one, press enter key. Now 90 is the 50% of 180. You don't need to apply this formula for remaining rows. Simply select this one. Place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down to apply this formula for remaining rows. Now you can see here we have successfully calculated the percentage of these numbers in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.